So hello everyone. First of all, happy New Year to all of you. A blessed New Year to all of you. May God bless you all with loads and loads of abundance and good luck and happiness. So I thought, why not bring in 2-3 videos. Actually, I had written a few list of things and kept. Yes. So let's start with a little bit of tips basically. Now, many people come to me and say that they miss the tips I used to give and the way I used to bring in on herbs and everything. So what I have decided is that I have my own WhatsApp groups, city wise and a general WhatsApp group also. But what has been happening is I have not been able to put the tips on time or post them because I was also not well in between and a lot of things were happening in 2021. So now on, I'm planning to bring in weekly 2 tips of herbs. Maybe future, as my time gets freed up, I will start adding crystal tips, other tips, everything. But in spite of that, in that WhatsApp group, we keep having this what do we say, everyday reading, and as and when possible, my products, workshops, all are updated. Okay, now coming back to this video. A lot of you know I make candles, I give candles to my clients. So I thought, why not give you all some simple tips along with candles, plain candles which you can use, and also generally what you can do throughout this year for abundance to be there. First thing, I would like to start with a normal plain green candle. What you can do is, you can take up a plate, okay, and you can keep this green candle in center, but before keeping, carve. I earn whatever is your income which you are expecting every month. I earn X amount a month, and keep it, surround it with 3 bay leaves and 3 coins. So now what you will do is, we use normal plain candles. We don't pick up our figurines or anything else for this, because now when you'll have to take a little bigger plate. You will keep 3 bay leaves and 3 coins, and you will burn this. Now after the candle is completely burnt, remove the bay leaf and the coins, keep it with you. Do this on every new moon, and you will see slowly income increase coming in your life. One more thing what you can do is, you can I'm just looking into it so that I don't miss out on any points. I don't know how many of you have seen my in one of my live sessions, I had spoken about the cinnamon bark, where you take a cinnamon bark and then you take a note and then you surround it and then you keep it with you. What you can do is, you can work on it with knot magic. Now when I say work on it with knot magic, take a thread, and then most of you know knot magic. Now if those who don't know, we just take a 1 meter or a 2 meters of thread, and then we work on knot magic. We tie 9 knots in the thread. That also you can do. Or just a cinnamon bark, take a nice round bark, roll it with a 10 rupee note or a 15 rupee note, and even you can use the red dhaga which you get in the temples, a Mauli dhaga, even that you can do. One more thing what you can do is, you can take a nice earthen clay pot. Okay, nice earthen. Actually, I had picked up and kept, but then I don't know now where I have kept it. So you can take a nice earthen clay pot. In that earthen clay pot, fill it with rice. Now on top of rice, keep 5 coins. The coins can be of any denomination. So put 5 coins. Keep 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon barks, or you can even keep cinnamon powder you can use. Okay, you can keep barks, cinnamon barks, and you can put 3 coins. Put 1 or 2 star anise in it, and then what you can do is, on top of that rice, every Friday burn a golden candle or a yellow candle. Now this is a yellow, you can even burn a golden candle on top of it. Yes, I know the wax will melt and keep putting into the fall into the clay pot. It is okay, because every month when you do this on full moon, you remove, once a candle is done, it's okay, you don't have to remove it, or if you can remove it, fine. But don't remove it, keep burning a candle every month. The wax gets sealed on that clay pot. Now as it gets sealed, your money is with you, and you don't end up spending on unnecessary expenses. You don't end up spending on medical expenses. So for all that it works beautifully. Okay, so now this is one more thing what you can do is, you can take a parchment paper. You can even work on a jar. Take a parchment paper. Now those who don't have parchment paper, because my meditation workshop was coming, so I was seeing I and Murli ji are bringing in petition workshop for the very first time together. We're combining hands and bringing in a workshop together. So in that, I was bringing in certain ways of working with petition. So that's why parchment paper. Now if you don't have a parchment paper, take a brown paper. You get in this medicine shops brown paper bags. Take a brown paper bag, cut it on the sides, okay, and then write what is your monthly income that you're expecting. Now I want to say one thing here. If you're earning 10 lakhs, don't expect your income to become 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs that month. Say 11 lakhs. Start with 11 lakhs. So in that parchment paper, you will write, I earn 10 lakhs a month, for example, and I'm happy that my income is increasing month after month. So when you write that your income is increasing month after month, you're somewhere telling the universe that is what you want. Now you take a jar, you put this parchment paper, you put rice in that, put kacha kapoor. Bhimseni kapoor is not kacha kapoor, so you get proper kacha kapoor, put kacha kapoor in that, put star anise in that, put cinnamon sticks in that jar, put green glitter in that jar. If you have my Kubera Kumkum, you can use the Kubera Kumkum in that also, because I think most of you who have been watching my videos have picked up the Kubera Kumkum. If you don't have the Kubera Kumkum, it's perfectly fine. Put the green glitters. Again, now you put the parchment paper, you put rice, you put cinnamon bark, you put star anise, you can even put crystals, you can put green aventurine, you can put pyrite, and you've put kacha kapoor, you've put all green glitter. Again, top it with rice. Now the jar should be full. Seal it, and on every week, either Wednesday or Friday, you can burn a tea light candle on top of it, so that you don't miss out on energizing the jar. Okay. So now coming to the next one. Okay, this tip I would not say now, because I was planning to give you all this tip during the New Year's. I wanted to go live. I thought I will get time to go live, but it didn't happen. Now I want to tell you all one thing. Start from now on every Friday. Try and see, let me know how it works. You take 5 clay ka diyas. You get the small diyas in market easily. Pick up 5 clay diyas. Now paint all the 5 with green color, because see, many people, I don't know how many of you all remember, I had brought in something called as the lamp magic many I think during the lockdown time 2020 beginning, about that, I cannot buy candles, my business is not working, my income is not there, money flow is not happening, so Pinky ji, I cannot pick candles. So at that time I had said, burn a green, take a lamp and burn it in green color. So the same way, what I would suggest is, take 5 clay lamps, okay, in that 5 clay lamps, make it into green color. Now in one, put ghee, okay, in one, put mustard oil. It is called as Rai ka tel, okay, or Kadgenna in Tamil. I am bringing in all the languages so that people, many of you watch me even down south now, so for them. So it is Rai ka tel or Kadgenna mustard oil. The third one will be Til ka tel, which is a sesame oil, okay, which is in Tamil it is the nallanai, so you can use that, and coconut oil or narel ka tel, one more, castor oil. Now these 5 oils in that 5 lamps, you will not mix these lamp oils, okay, mixing is not done, is not needed here. 5 separate, you will put these 5 oils in 5 lamps and you will burn it. Do this. Now what you can do is, every day 15-20 minutes you can burn if you have the time. I don't have the time, then do it on every Friday. Saturday, wash the lamp. Okay, now if I'm doing it every day, now if you're washing it on Saturday, again the coming Friday, burn, let the wick get completely burnt, or let the oil get consumed or exhausted, and then you can wash it. If I'm doing it every day for 15 minutes, start on a Friday, okay, end it on a Thursday morning, or end it on a Wednesday. Thursday, wash it and keep it. Again, start on a Friday and end it on a Wednesday. Do it in that way, because it works beautifully. Now, why am I asking you to bring in 5? Because many people say 6 is for abundance, and why 5? 5 basically is also a number of abundance, because 5 brings in from all 5 elements of earth. I am representing here from all 5 directions. 4 directions is then, 1 is the divine, so I'm working on that. So you can combine these and then you can work on it. So that way you are intending and you are working on that. So 5 is a beautiful thing. Now, if you feel there is a negative energy in your house and that energy is actually troubling you all, take a 6th clay lamp, paint it with black paint, okay. I don't want to use black. I feel black is not a lucky color for me. Then paint it with white. In that, use neem oil and burn it. Neem oil will protect your house from any harmful energies which is coming in. It will also try to repel the energies which is already there inside the house. So that ways you can burn 6. Don't stick on to 1 and 2, because yes, I know that single week is for independent, self-independence, and 2 for family, 3 for kids, all that I know, but I would say stick on to 5 or 6 diyas in that ways. you are able to work beautifully. So these were some tips, actually 2-3 tips I wanted to give when I was coming live, but then that didn't happen. Most of you all had seen my video on Star of David for money blockage removal, the green Star of David, and some have started burning it, because in my last sale I had put in some got it and some started burning, and I think 2 of them have come back saying that they are seeing good results now. Same way, what this time I have started trying newly for me is what I am giving you all as advice. Now if you don't have black and green Star of Davids, though Star of David works more powerfully, you can also use a normal black candle and normal green candle. What we do, we take these two together. Now I use my own set of oils. I'm not asking you people to pick up oils. What you all can do is you can even apply olive oil, and actually yesterday one student of mine had given me this tip, can I sprinkle black pepper powder? Then I said, oh yes, why not? So I thought I will give you all also as this tip. Now in the black, apply olive oil, black pepper powder and little bit of chili flakes, and then you can burn this for any hexes or negativity to go. Same thing you can do with the plain black candle, absolutely okay, don't worry about it. Now in this, if you don't have my money oil, if you don't have my pay me now oil, what you can do is you can apply olive oil in this and sprinkle it with cinnamon powder, and it will work beautifully. So this is one more thing. So if you all have enjoyed it, you all can let me know how these tips were, and if you want me to bring in more tips in future, I will be more than happy to bring in these tips. Just that I just need a little time. I know you all have been missing my YouTube videos, and you all have been missing me coming live. I have taken up a resolution that 2022 I should be more active in all the media platforms, and I shall see what best I can do to bring in more of my videos. Do like it, do share it with your friends, do subscribe the channel, and as usual click on the bell icon so that you will know whenever I come live or whenever I bring in a new video, so that you all can enjoy my videos more and more. Once again, Dil se, from the bottom of my heart, thank you, gratitude to you all. The magic of healing started 11 years back, and it has grown beautifully. Not possible without each and every one of you who have been my pillar of strength, who have always encouraged me and loved me. The way you all pamper me, be it my birthday, be it Diwali, be it the new year, the way you all love me, the way you all prayed for me in 2021 when my health was down, and the way you all call me with whatever you like calling me, but I just love you all, and I would not be here today without each and every one of you, and of course without Murli ji also, because he has been a role model and a support system to me. But again, once again, thank you all. Without you all, Magic of Healing is not there, and without you all, Pinky Punjabi is not there. So thank you all. God bless you all with loads and loads of happiness, abundance, and a very prosperous 2022. I shall pray that each and every one of you out there is blessed with good health, because we all need good health. With good health, happiness, and everything that you desire. So thank you all. Do let me know, and yes, if you all want some specific tips which you all want me to bring on a specific issue, you can leave a comment here, and I will definitely bring that also for you all. Thank you all, and God bless you all. Thank you.